Welcome back to this channel. This is Money Hustle TV to know about Hamster, because on the 20th of this month, Hamster is going to start their snapshot, which are going to tell us the allocation for their airdrop. I hope you get that. But these are the few things you have to know about Hamster. So basically, don't keep any coins on Hamster, understand? So I see some of you guys are having like 1 billion coins, so Hamster will not list on 1 billion. So right now this is over 9,095 million. So many of you will be thinking, how will Hamster pay this huge number of people like this? So many of you will be thinking like that. So like today now, 95 million users are mining Hamster right now, but Hamster is not going to use the coin to pay. I hope you get that. So there are some things you have to do on Hamster so you can be one of their airdrop, to gain one of their airdrop. I hope you get that. So you go to your screen here. So if you are among people who are still keeping coins on Hamster, please go and start upgrading your coins and screens. I will get that. So you can also work on your keys so that your keys can also that. So let me go to you go to your screen here, you check the achievement which you have achieved. I hope you get that. So if you want to know your achievements, you come here right now. So let me just go back so that I can show you again, people that don't know it. So you go to your profile right here, which is up here now. So once you click on it, it's going to load. Start clicking on the profile. So these are my achievements here. So you can also change your screen sometime, but this doesn't mean anything. I'll get that. It doesn't mean anything. So you can change your screen at any time, but what I'm here to teach you today is your achievement. You can come to your see all. You can see the achievements you have made for Hamster. So see mine now. I've upgraded 10 cards, 25 cards, 50 cards. So these are my achievements on Hamster. So make sure to get your Hamster achievement. So Hamster is not going to list on coin. I hope you get that. So you see, I've already gotten over 1 billion coins already. Give you lots. So make sure you work on your achievement. I hope you get that. You can upgrade many cards. You can see I have over 1.5 billion coins, but I've used all of them to get my more achievements. I hope you get that. So they are going to also count the friends that are invited and the screen and the profit per hour. I hope you get that. So I've achieved this profit per hour. I've achieved all this. I've achieved 3 million profit per hour. So now basically I'm in 4.1 thereabout. So and the Hamster and the how many Hamster YouTube videos you have watched. So they are going to count on these two, and how many days you have subscribed to the Hamster Telegram channel. So you see a lot of things you have to do on this Hamster. So they have basically removed this done shit on Hamster. They have removed it. So these are the things you have to work on Hamster. How you get that? So don't keep any coin, you understand? Because on the 20th of this month, which is just few days from now, Hamster is going to burn all coins. I'm going to burn all coins. I'm going to burn it. You understand? So from the 20th to 26th, we are going to leave their coin. You cannot mine Hamster again. So this is the best thing for you to do right now. If you are watching this video, you can share it to one of your friends who haven't started this, who are still keeping coins on Hamster. So don't keep any coin on Hamster. Use it to buy cards, upgrade yourself. I hope you get that. You can come to your mind and upgrade different cards. Understand me? So you can see, guys. So make sure you share it to your friends or your loved ones who doesn't know about this. And please, if you think all I'm saying doesn't need it, so you can leave it, understand? So this is not a financial advice for you guys. So you can keep your coins if you want to keep it, you understand? So I'm telling you on the basics on what Hamster is going to launch on. I hope you get that. So don't keep any coins on Hamster, understand? I've told you on 20th of this month, they are going to start their snapshot, and any coin on your balance is will be to be cleared off. I hope you get that. Notice that. I hope you get it. videos you haven't watched them, this is it. You can start watching them, you understand? So this is it. Make sure you have do all these tags too. I hope you hear that. So coin on Hamster, you come to this playground there. You come to this your playground there. So you come to this mini game. So this is what we call Airdrop puzzle. You understand? You can start it so you can get more coins. When you see that your coins are finished, so that you can upgrade different cards, so that you can also get hamster. So you can keep playing all this so that you can get more coins, and so that your coins can increase and use it to complete those achievements on Hamster. So this is how to play it. So you can continue playing it and get more coins. I hope you get that. So that you just put it on those boxes. So as you keep putting it, it's going to, your coin is going to what? To be increased. So that is it. So you can keep doing it and get more coins. So you can see now I've gotten one already. So not to make this video too long, so I will stop it right now. So let me show you the sum. So I can just sit down and claim it. So that is it, simple as that. So I'll go back to my things I want to show you again. Next thing is that remember to also, you have what, connect your wallet. You can use Binance Exchange, OKX and Bybit. Also use wallet in Telegram. So these are the things you have to do again. So you can see, you want to read the airdrop allocation again, so you can read what was said here. I hope you heard that. So you can also check the link in the description below, which I drop some updates which you can do, and also earn some amounts of money to yourself. Check the link in the description below of this video. Remember to share this video to your friends and loved ones, so that they can also benefit from this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video.